folks, I have a little mini 5-string to show you today. This is actually a second instrument for a customer who wanted one like his first one. And it's the main wood is curly koa, which it was originally cut for grandfather clocks. So I call this the clockmaker's koa. And it's always a pleasure to use this wood. It's got pistachio for its other wood. And then up front here he wanted an inlay that looked like waves, and I found a piece of spalted maple that are, you know, those black lines, that's just from Mother Nature there. And I thought it looked like cresting waves, so we cut it out and put it there as the inlay. And this one's in the open G tuning, so like a real full-size 5-string banjo. And with these heavier strings on it to get this lower pitch, it's really nice. It's just, from playing the big banjo, I just gotta, like, you know, shrink everything down and play with a lighter touch, and I get so much sound from it. It's been really cool. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? So this one is number 961. Cheers.